This is the Miswak stick to clean the teeth. You don't need any paste. You need only this tree. You open the packet, you put this to the water for overnight. Then all this first layer will be soft, and you can cut it with a knife, or you can cut it with your teeth and clean it, take it away. And then you will have a brush. I show you this kind of brush, and with this you clean your teeth. One stick is for 1 month or 1.5 months. It depends how actively you are using it, and it's very, very good for your teeth, digestion system. And old times already, people in Asia used to use it. No any holes in the teeth, and mouth hygiene is very, very good. So Miswak stick, something interesting, something useful for your health, and easy to use. You again brush your teeth, you put it in fresh water and let it stay there. In the morning, in the evening, just take it out, brush your teeth, put it back to the fresh water. Enjoy!